Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. I've got to go to Canterbury. I've got to do a little bit of equity business, so why not film it, right? We're going from home and we are going to go along the A260, jump on the dual carriageway and look for cars when you've got a concealed drive that you have to come out of. Yeah, go on the dual carriageway and then get into the city. So come along, let's see if we see some hazards. It's always good to see hazards. Blind bend, national speed limit applies. Now I learned recently that even though it's national speed limit and it's a single carriageway, I was with my granddaughter and we were going through national speed limits, and correct me if I'm wrong, I might have misread the highway code thing, but national speed limit on a country lane like this is actually 30 miles an hour. I'd always in my head thought we can do 60. I might be wrong, but you know, you wouldn't want to do 60 down here. But yeah, it's a case of knocking out as many videos if I'm doing a drive. I think that seems to be the logical thing to do. Like I said in the last video, that, you know, I might be doing the routes over and over and over, but every time you do a drive, it's a different scenario. You're going to meet different traffic and different obstacles. Wild grouse, are they? Wow, look at the colours. Autumn is lovely, but we've not had any sunshine. There's a car coming. So we'll both give way here a little bit. Now we enter a 30 zone on a giveaway. Nothing to my right. Nothing to my left. Fabulous. Drive through Denton. It is 30 miles an hour. And you have to obey, don't you? For good reason. Overhanging building and road narrows on the left. You can see they've got the yellow and black chevron type sign. I'm sure that building's had a few hits in the past. Junction on a bend. I think this weekend has got to be my autumn photography weekend, looking at all these colours. A junction on the right. I live kind of right in the middle. If you have a triangle of Canterbury to Dover to Folkestone and back to Canterbury, I live right in the middle of that triangle. And so it's kind of equal distance or equidistant if I want to go to either Folkestone, Dover or Canterbury. And obviously I'm going to Canterbury because I've got to do some business. Even film the journey back. I've got another video to do then. I am on my lunch break, but it's nice to get out. Into a 40 zone. I was already doing 40, so that was good. Car at junction, will he pull out? No, it's going to wait for me. two-way traffic. That's more for coming out of that junction because you're coming off the dual carriageway where it's one way. Junction on the left. We've got a garage up ahead. Could be cars coming out of the garage. Just watch for that. Still a 40 zone. And now, national speed limit. It is important to be aware of all the road signs. They do tell us so much when we're actually driving. The lay of the land, what to expect, you know, hidden junctions, that kind of thing. Clear to my right. Indicate off the roundabout, unlike those two cars. Or the van and the car. Wow, colours. So we're joining a dual carriageway. Try and match the speed. I've got an itchy nose. Nothing behind me I can slide on. So we're on national speed limit. It's a dual carriageway. Let's get up to 70. More so that I can get to my meeting in time. I said I'd be there at midday, and it is exactly midday. But of course the thing for me is setting up all the cameras. I didn't give myself enough time. Vehicles turning and junction on the left. Road liable to flooding. I've never seen it flood. Why they've put that up there. Soft verges for 2 miles. We've got a bit of traffic build-up coming up with the slow trucks, people weaving in and out. I mention it because it could be a hazard, that's all. Traffic merging from the left. But with the volume of traffic as it is, I don't anticipate anyone pulling out to let someone on. I want to come off at the next junction, and I'm thinking, will I get past the truck in time, or should I pull in now? But I think I have enough time to do this. Half a mile to the junction. I still have to keep to the 70 miles an hour, don't I? $300 yards, 200 yards, and 100 yards, and I'll get the indicators on now. Nothing behind me. Slide on to the 2050 or the 2050. Watch out for vehicles merging on the left. may have to pull out. There's nothing behind me. No left turn and end of no stopping anytime. Road narrows on the right. And now two-way traffic. Still national speed limit, but I'm now doing about 52. Roundabout ahead, reduce speed now. Taking the third exit, so we'll slide into the right hand lane and indicate round the roundabout. And we're entering a 40 zone. City of Canterbury. I think I took the wrong turning. I should have gone down the old Dover Road because I'm going straight across at the bottom roundabout. But I can go all the way down and turn left and then right. That's where I need to go. Entering a 30 zone. It's a lovely colourful drive, if nothing else. No hazards. I never see hazards, I don't know why. Very rarely, shall I say. I do see hazards, like now, lady and man with dog. Car waiting at junction, or to turn in. Will he try and turn in before I get there? Work out if the left-hand lane is for left turn only, so I'm going to just sit in this lane. It was for straight on and left turn. However, there's a delivery van, so I'm to get in this lane anyway to get past the delivery van. And then we'll take the first exit on the roundabout. Part-time signals. I do love part-time signals. You know, there's so many times you stop at a set of lights just because they're on a timer and there's nothing coming the other way and you think, why? Just make them all part-time. Want to go all the way around the roundabout on the next one, so I'm getting the right hand lane. I say all the way around, third exit right. I've got fire station on the left, so there is I think there used to be a grid there. Oh, here comes an ambulance. It's very unhelpful that there's nowhere for me to go, but I've got to give room to this thing. There's a hazard if ever I saw one. You just got to get out the way. You cannot hinder an emergency service, as long as it's safe to do so, right? And I have, my friends, been in the back of one of them twice with my Dickie heart. So I know the importance of hoping to get to the hospital on time. Expired on the way to the hospital. We don't want any of that. .20-mile-an-hour zone. Zebra crossing, people waiting. Cyclist, see that? I didn't even see that. I was ready to go when the guy had crossed, and then a cyclist came whizzing through. You never can tell. Just keep your eyes peeled all times. Right, I've got to go down here. Marlow Avenue. Christopher Marlowe, right? Right, I am going a little further down there and then I'm stopping, so I'll stop here to end the video. That was a drive from Wootton to Canterbury. Quite uneventful, but it pops another one on the channel, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.